Welcome to the island of Gozo. Gozo is a little tiny island just north of the main island of Malta, and it's beautiful. The island of Gozo is small, but it's still too big to just walk all around it, so renting a scooter is a great way to get around and see all of the different sites. If you want to make little stops at all of the beaches and all of the attractions, then this is the best and cheapest way to see the island.
It is absolutely terrifying. The speed limit is way too high, but I can see that it is an excellent mode of transportation.
Oh, lesson learned, don't touch the cacti. Because you can poke yourself with them.
Get them out.
Right now we are near the Azure Window, and there's a lot of beautiful cliffs and overlook points around it. Definitely worth a visit.
They say that giants used to live here, but they must have been very tiny. Go the back!
So after spending 2 days on the island of Gozo, we're taking the ferry back over to Malta, the mainland, and
Very burned.
we are very burned. Lesson learned? Well, I mean, we didn't really learn a lesson. We wore sunscreen, but the sun is just so strong here that even sunscreen does not help. So, yeah.
We are taking it easy.
Watch out for jellyfish. This girl got stung by jellyfish all over her legs, and what else? Oh yeah, she also got scraped up on some of the rocks in the blue grotto.
Malta has rejected me.